All right, so good night, everyone. Welcome to this exclusive interview with the employees of Toyota Corporation. And today, we will be exploring the remarkable journey of Toyota, diving deep into their strategies for success, and uncovering the techniques and approaches that have solidified their position as a global leader in the automotive industry. And to start, let me introduce you to our panel of Toyota Corporation employees, which are Jesse, Wansin, Zingbo, Kaho, and User, who will guide us through various aspects of Toyota's operation, production strategies, and the challenges they face. Now, let's begin with an introduction to Toyota Corporation, its history, and its innovative Toyota production system. And Jesse, could you please share your information on this part?
Okay, now is my part. I'm going to talk about the introduction to Toyota Motor Corporations. Toyota Motor Corporations is one of the world's largest and most influential automotive manufacturers. Founded in 1933 by Kikiron Toyoda, Toyota is headquarters in Toyota City, Japan, with Koji Sato as its current president. Toyota remains financially strong with 635 billion yen in capital as of March 31, 2024, with over 70,000 direct employees and nearly 381,000 in total. Toyota focus on innovation, sustainability, and efficiency continuous to drive its success globally. And next slide. Histories of Toyota Motor Corporations. Toyota history is built on innovations. It started in 1918 when Shakichi Toyoda invented an automatic loom. By 1936, Toyota was officially formed with an investment of 300,000 euro. Despite facing the Second World War challenges, Toyota survived and produced its hundreds thousands vehicles. By 1947, the company expanded to Europe in 1916, introducing popular models like the Corona and the Corolla. Today, Toyota continues to innovate with ventures in robotics, housing, and telecommunications with brands like Toyota, Lexus, Daihatsu, and Hino's. And next slide. The Toyota Production Systems, or we call as TPS, is designed to improve efficiencies while reducing waste. It emphasizes making work easier for employees and producing high-quality products. TPS is built on two main pillars, Jidoko and Just-in-Time. Jidoko, or we call as automations with a human touch, allows workers to stop productions when defects are detected. The just-in-time systems ensures that only what is needed is produced, reducing waste. Together, these principles have helped Toyota maintain its reputations for qualities and efficiencies while promoting continuous improvements through Kaizens. That's all my part. I will pass to next members.
All right, thank you, Jesse, for that insightful introduction. Now that we have a solid understanding of Toyota's foundation, now let's move into the identification and description of the SCM techniques and SMA approaches that Toyota employs. Wansin, could you please elaborate on these techniques and approaches for us?
Okay, next I will discuss how Toyota applies strategic cost management and strategic management accounting to maintain its competitive edge. Strategic cost management helps business control and reduce costs, while strategic management accounting provides financial and non-financial data to support decision making. Toyota effectively uses three key techniques: Kaizen for continuous improvement, just in time for inventory efficiency, and the balance scorecard to measure performance. So next slide. First, Kaizen, which means continuous improvement, focuses on making small daily enhancements to workflows and production process. It encourages employees participate and cost-conscious decision-making, leading to long-term efficiency gains. Second, just-in-time is an inventory management system that ensures materials arrive only when needed, reducing storage costs and waste. It helps Toyota prevent overproduction and unnecessary expenses while maintaining a smooth production process. Finally, the balanced scorecard evaluates Toyota's performance across four perspectives. The financial perspective ensures profitability. The customer perspective measures certification and quality. The internal process perspective focuses on lean production through JITs, and the learning and growth perspective emphasizes employee training through Kaizen. Together, this strategy creates a well-rounded approach to cost and performance management. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Wan Xin. So moving forward, we will be discussing about the real-world application of these SCM techniques and SMA approaches, including Kaizen costing, JIT, and the balanced scorecard. And before I pass the mic to other employees, I have also did some research by myself, which focus on Kaizen costing. So I'll introduce about this SCM technique first, then I'll pass the mic to Xingbo. So for Kaizen costing, there will be three cases, where the first case is the door assembly, and the issue is identified on 27th of August 2013, where there is a 1 second delay between pressing the button and the ready light turning on during the door assembly process. And therefore, the operator has reported this inefficiency to the supervisor. And they have a 1 hour discussion to analyze the issue, and they found out that the root cause is because due to the incorrect sensor position. And their solution is to adjust the sensor position, while they have confirmed that there is no safety risk for reposition the sensor. And the maintenance team has repositioned the sensor, and it took them 0.5 hours. And the outcome is there is no additional cost incurred, and the total time spent is 1.5 hours. And this has resulted in an annual cost reduction of 140k yen. And therefore, Kaizen costing has successfully improved Toyota's process efficiency and financial performance. The next case is Kaizen-driven component improvement, where the issue is the usage of 5 different types of bolts and nuts for door attachment will increase the risk of incorrect usage and lowering product quality. And therefore, the operator has raised concern to the shop floor engineer, and they have a 1 hour discussion confirming the risk of incorrect bolt usage. And the solution development can be categorized into 2 major parts, where the first part is the negotiation with product design department, where it took them 4 hours to approve reducing bolt types from 5 to 2. And the second part is the negotiation with purchasing department, where it took them 2 hours to secure bulk acquisition of common bolts and nuts for cost savings. And the supervisor have approved this improvement. And the outcome is there is no additional cost incurred. Total time spent is 7 hours. And this has resulted in an annual manufacturing cost reduction of 3.3 million yen. Therefore, Kaizen costing has successfully improved Toyota's product quality and financial performance. The last case is improvement of quality in painting process. And the issue is 1 in 100 units had a painting defect. Therefore, shop floor engineers has conducted a 2 hours analysis, and the initial finding is because due to the improper surface washing before painting, and shop floor engineers has tried to increase washing time by 2 more hours. But however, this attempted solution has no effect on this issue. And their final finding is the markers from the previous process will affect the surface. And therefore, the shop floor engineers have a discussion with marker manufacturer, which took them 2 hours to identify an alternative marker with no surface impact. And the result is new markers has been introduced in their process. And this has no additional cost incurred, and the total time spent is 6 hours. And this has resulted in an annual cost reduction of 1.56 million yen, and also 300 hours time saved on defect modifications. Therefore, Kaizen costing has successfully improved Toyota's product quality, financial performance, and time efficiency. And now we will be discussing about the JIT system, and I'll pass the mic to Xingbo.
Background and evolution of JIT management in Toyota. Toyota management 50 plus factory globally with JIT supply chain and produce more than 10 million vehicles annually. JIT objective management inventory maximum efficiency, reduce financial risk due to market volatility. Next slide. Innovation in management accounting under Toyota's JIT management. Activity basis cost, accurately allocate inventory procurement and logistic costs. Digital sports. Toyota integrates RFID tracking, big data analytics, and ERP system to monitor inventory. Purchasing cost and cash flow in real time. Those technology enhance decision making and efficiency, reduce waste, and fostering innovation. Handle system protection exception management. Handle 5,000 plus exception per day. Reduce total losses. Through accounting, optimize the efficiency of the entire protection system. Optimizing performance through Toyota's JIT management. Process optimization, 19% of the supply. Financial optimization, order point reduced by 2,000 to 100. Maximum inventory, 5,500 to 200. Reduced capital use, enhance cash flow. Learning and growth, 1,000 plus Kaizen seminar per year. Employer initially process improvement. Customer optimized product delivery time, improves delivery retail rate. Customers protection model to improve customer satisfaction. Zero defect system to ensure product quality. Next slide. Conclusion and the future outlook. The successful practice of JIT management has enabled Toyota to maintain its position as a global manufacturing leader and to continuously optimize its management model to adapt to market changes. In the future, Toyota will combine artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and automotive manufacturing technology, increase the intelligence of JIT management, thereby further improving its advantage over global competition. Okay, this is my part. Thank you.
All right, so now we will be discussing about the balance scorecard, and I'll pass the mic to Gaho.
Okay, so Toyota has also used the balance scorecard to improve its company performance and also to achieve the objective goals. So the balance scorecard helps Toyota focus on long-term success by setting clear goals, measuring progress, and improving efficiency. Toyota uses BSC to align its business with strategic goals, tracking performance in 4 key areas beyond just finances, which are financial performance, customer satisfaction, internal processes, lastly, learning and growth. So this approach made Toyota more competitive and one of the most successful automakers today. Next slide. So Toyota places a strong emphasis on employee growth, recognizing that a skilled and well-trained workforce is key to maintaining high performance and innovation. So through Toyota University, employee receives structured training in technical skills, leadership, and problem solving, ensuring they can contribute to continuous improvement. So Toyota University basically is a place where the employees can gain more knowledge about what is happening inside Toyota and how they should improve themselves so they can contribute even more to the Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota tracks key performance indicators such as innovation efforts, R&D investments, and employee development to measure progress and drive efficiency. These focus on learning and growth not only enhances operational excellence, but also helps Toyota stay ahead in sustainable and advanced vehicle technology, reinforcing its position as a global industry leader. Next slide. So Toyota focus ensures their high quality and reliable cars to keep their customers satisfied, to be competitive to in the automobile industry. So the first of all is they made surveys and data tracking to help Toyota understand and meet what the customer expect and how they can meet this expectation to gain more profit. Next is the best-selling models prove Toyota's success in building durable and trusted cars. Toyota also invested in hybrid and electric vehicles to meet more customer expectations, so they can gain more market satisfaction to attract customers. Lastly, these strategies enhance Toyota's brand reputation, customer trust, and also Toyota's sales growth. Next slide. To conclude about the balanced scorecard, Toyota's success comes from its ability to adapt to industry changes while maintaining efficiency, innovation, and sustainability. Its focus on lean production improves cost efficiency, while investment in electric and hydrogen vehicles keeps it ahead in green technology. Toyota also prioritizes customer satisfaction and sustainability, strengthening its brand and market position. The balanced scorecard helps Toyota balance financial performance, innovation, and long-term growth, ensuring it remains a global leader in the automotive industry. That's all from my sharing. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Gaho. Hearing about how Toyota apply these SCM techniques and SMA approaches has been truly insightful. However, with such advanced strategies, I'm sure that there are still challenges that come with adopting and maintaining them. So, user, could you please share your insights on this important aspect?
Well, I will talk the challenges management accountants or companies face in adopting this technique and approaches. The first is organizational and structural challenges, resistance to change. Employers are customer to traditional methods like standard costing, static budgeting, resistance innovations like ABC costing or real-time analytics. Departmental silos, poor cross-team collaboration hinders tools like balanced scorecard and sustainability accounting. Lack of leadership alignment, ERP systems and integrated reporting frameworks stall due to insufficient investment and strategic prioritization. The next slide. Okay. The second is financial and cost challenges. High implementation costs. SMEs struggle with expenses for software upgrade like Power BI, Tableau, and unclear ROI from AI investments. Long payback periods. Methods like lean management require continuous adjustments, daily measurable returns. The next slide, okay. The third is technological and data challenges, legacy system integration, high costs and complexity in merging outdated systems with modern platforms like cloud-based AI, predictive analytics, the poor data quality, transition to data-driven frameworks like big data is slowed by inconsistent or unreliable data. Cybersecurity risks, compliance with GDPR and data protection laws complicates digital tool adoption. Thank you.
All right, so thank you, user. And lastly, I want to say thank you to all our panelists for your thoughtful contributions today. And I'm sure that it's clear that Toyota's success is no coincidence, but the result of strategic planning, innovation, and continuous improvement. And I hope that you have enjoyed this interview about Toyota strategies and operations. And I think that's all for our interview today. I'll see you next time. Thank you.